so here in the crochet snow globe blanket, we are going to be changing colors in the corners. So let me show you real quick how to do that. It's pretty simple. So here we are coming to this corner from the previous round, making one last double crochet in that blue space, and now I'm going to be working in the chain space. I'm going to make 2 double crochets. I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to make my next chain with the red. Okay, so leave a little tail because you're going to have to weave that in. Okay, so I'm joining, making a chain. So that's 2 chains. 1 chain was in blue, 1 chain was in red. And then make 2 more double crochets in that same space, but with the red. Okay, and there you go. You have your corner, and then go ahead and keep going. You're going to make double crochets in all those red stitches from the previous round, and you have your pretty color changed corner.